Need to record your screen for tutorials, work updates, product demos, or online training? Loom makes the process simple and lets you share videos with just a link. In this guide, I'll show you how to record your screen with Loom in 2026. First, open Loom in your browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. If you're new to Loom, create an account and complete the setup process. Once you're logged in, click the new recording button. Loom will open the recording controls and ask what you'd like to capture. Select whether you want to record your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. You can also choose whether to include your webcam. Before starting, choose your microphone and check your audio levels. Clear audio is just as important as clear visuals, especially for tutorials. Click the record button and start presenting your content. Navigate through your screen normally while explaining what viewers need to see. When you're finished, stop the recording. Loom will automatically process the video and open a preview page where you can review the result. Copy the shareable link and send it to your audience. Yeah, this is one of Loom's biggest advantages because viewers can watch instantly without downloading files. And that's how to record your screen with Loom in 2026. Whether you're creating tutorials, training videos, or team updates, Loom helps you capture and share information quickly and professionally. So give it a try and start recording your first video today. Thanks for watching.